Hello everyone, can you hear me guys? Okay, so the news is here. Massive spike. I'm looking for sales on Euro USD. We have equal lows down here. So 830 news have just swept buy side liquidity. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. And I'll be looking for sales. Okay. I'm also looking for sales on the pound. We have this sell side imbalance on the pound. So I'm considering this push up as a Judas swing for price to then fall back to clear these lows. We have Asia lows resting on the pound. Asia lows resting. So I'm expecting price to respect 50% of this sell side imbalance. So I'm going to the M1 where I'll be looking for market structure shifts. For NASDAQ, I'm looking for sales on NASDAQ. This area is a 4-hour fair value gap. I want to see price sell towards that 4-hour fair value gap to then fill the gap. So M1, I'm monitoring the M1. US 500, same thing. I'm looking for sales to a 4-hour imbalance. You have buy side liquidity swept. So let's check gold. Gold, I'm looking for sales. We tap a 1-hour order block. Market structure shift. So let's sell gold. Let's sell gold. Stop loss at the manipulation highs. Okay. Let's sell gold. Let's sell gold. Let's sell gold. Let's sell gold. Are you selling gold? You're targeting 2R. We have equal lows on gold here. Okay, you can see equal lows. So that's the target for me on gold. Equal lows. Okay. So 830 news have given us some Judas swing to the upside, and we have market structure shifts. And so if manipulated these highs on gold, and market structure shifts. So we have this other block that we are tapping in. So yeah. So we are selling gold. We are selling gold. Quickly share this to my Telegram. Um, Nasdaq. So Nasdaq. I'm gonna wait for a bearish level gap to form on Nasdaq. I feel like selling Nasdaq right away, but let me wait for a bearish level. Let's check Euro USD. Euro USD, we are waiting for market structure shifts. Are we selling gold? We're selling gold. For the pound, I think we have some SMT divergence. You can see these highs are not taking. Let me see if we can sell this guy. We have SMT divergence. So I'm selling Euro USD right now. I'm selling Euro USD. I'm selling Euro USD. Okay. I'm selling Euro USD. Oh, come on. Selling Euro USD. Targeting the equal lows. The reason why I'm selling, we don't have market structure shift yet, but there is SMT divergence. This high at 830 has been taken on Euro USD. On the pound, we have not taken that high, so that's SMT divergence. So we can also sell pound, okay? So let me share this one as well. Selling USD. They're also selling the pound. They're selling the pound. They're also selling the. So we are selling Euro USD, we are selling gold, we are selling pound. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Euro USD, let's go. Nasdaq. I'm gonna be patient with Nasdaq. I want a bearish fair value gap to form. Or I wanna see what do you call it? An inversion fair value gap. I've not seen any inversion. So a bearish fair value gap will do the work for me. We also have this bearish order block we just created, so it's worth watching. Okay, worth watching. So I'm watching it. Euro USD, we are in profit. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Let's go EU. Let's go EU. Let me give the profit target for Euro USD will be 1.16539. 1.16539. 1.16539. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. GU, TP for GU, 1.34271. TP for GU, 1. Where is this thing? 1.34271. 1.34271. Okay. Can also give TP for gold. Gold is okay. Gold is also in massive profits. Gold is also in massive profit. TP for gold 3.3340. So TP for gold. 3340 TP for gold. And give that. TP is also there for 0.9. 0.9. Great. Are you making money on these trades? How many people do you have on the call? You have quite a few people on the call. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Okay. So I hope you guys are making money. Send screenshot of your winning trades to the page. Send screenshots. I want to see screenshot, guys. I want to see screenshots. Manage your trades. Manage your trades. Massive profits. Check NASDAQ. We don't have any imbalance yet. We have this. I think I want to sell NASDAQ from these up close candles. So I'm selling NASDAQ as well. I'm selling NASDAQ. I'm selling NASDAQ. So I'm selling NASDAQ. So let's share the signal. Selling NASDAQ. Are you making money on all of these trades? We have a lot of sell side liquidity pools. on all of these pairs. Okay. So I've shared all of these setups to the Telegram. Good. So if you are not in on gold, you can enter gold from here. We just created this imbalance that we just pulled back into. Gold. So far, Euro USD doing great. The pound doing great. You can see a lot of equal lows. Equal lows, you see them? And then Asia lows. Equal lows, Asia lows. Sell side liquidity. So that's the target. That's the target. So the 830 high impact news did a Judas swing to the upside, sweeping buy side liquidity here and then all of these highs. After that, created SMT divergence with Euro USD, and now we are tanking very hard. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So yeah, the same thing on Euro USD. You have a lot of equal lows. Euro USD has a lot of equal lows. We have some trend line liquidity as well. How do I draw it? The funny thing is I'm trading from my workplace. I'm trading at the hospital right now. Oh my goodness. I'm using my laptop alone. So I'm not with my full setup from home. Trendline liquidity is here. We kind of already manipulating the trend line. So let's see. Nasdaq. Now, it's possible that Nasdaq may manipulate one more time to the upside before selling, and that may happen at 9:30. 9:30 is somewhere here. But anyways, I'm still bearish on Nasdaq. There's a huge 4-hour imbalance down here. I want to see price fill that imbalance. 830 news have given us a nice Judas swing up, clearing this high. So I'm looking for sales. So you can also sell, what do you call it, US 500. You can also sell US 500. S&P 500. I think for Nasdaq and then S&P 500, the real move would take off at 9:30 opening price, opening time. That's what I think. I'm at the hospital at the moment. I'm on lunch break. And I just grabbed my laptop for a quick stop for the high impact news at 8:30. We have some little bit of SMT divergence here as well. You can see we've taken this little high here on EU, but the pound has not taken that, so it's a good signal for bearish continuation. Okay? It's a good signal for bearish continuation. Gold has retraced all the way back to our entry points. That's crazy. It's now retesting this supply. Anyway, our invalidation point for gold, I'll take this week, 50% of that week. I'll bet 50% of that week is our invalidation point for gold. So stop loss is just about 50% of that week for gold. Nasdaq and then the S&P. Like I said, the real move might take off at 9:30, so you might shoot the highs one more time for Nasdaq and S&P. You might as well just sell off because you've taken the liquidity already. But usually the real move begins at 9:30 for the stocks. Okay, so we're looking at gold. We are respecting the rejection block up here. USD is not looking too good. Since you're having reversals on all the setups, but we still have equal lows to play for pound. Pound is kind of respecting this other block, but we have these Asian lows, equal lows, a bunch of lows down here, as well as this other block down here. So there's still a possibility of sells. I see we respected this imbalance and sold off nicely. We took highs. That's liquidity. I'm still expecting these guys to sell off. Same thing for the Euro USD. We have all of these lows and trend line liquidity resting. So I'm expecting price to take these lows into this rejection block. Either it will respect the rejection block or it will sweep it. I don't know, but that's my target for this trade. So we've cleared London highs. We've cleared London highs from here. So let's see how things play out. This is like a break of structure here. This is the most painful part about trading. You get an high expect profit and price quickly comes back to your entry. It's very, very painful. Let's look at gold to see the gold is on track so far. It's on track. So gold is on track so far. EU all the way back to our entry. Crazy. Same with pound. So we have an SMT divergence on Nasdaq and then S&P 500. We've taken this high on Nasdaq, but on S&P 500, you can see we've not taken that high. So let's see what happens if this SMT divergence will hold or not. So if you get inversion on this guy, that will sell off from the inversion. Liquidity sweep, SMT divergence. So if you get inversion of this fair value gap, you should be selling all the way back down. So long as the SMT divergence holds, we should be going down. I think S&P 500 was better for sales than Nasdaq because it's the weaker pair. But anyways, I do trade Nasdaq. I don't like trading S&P. So let's see if we flip this imbalance, we should hold it for market to sell off. To sell off aggressively. So far, gold is on track. USD is coming back down, as well as the pound. So we kind of retrace into the other blocks. Retrace into the OB. So yeah, this guy's moving again. So gold is doing well so far. Like I said, our validation point for gold is under 50% of this week. Okay, we don't want to see price coming back under 50% of that week. So gold is looking good so far. S&P 500, not looking bad, but yeah. Let's check on Nasdaq. If you have we have the inversion on Nasdaq. Very good. So we expect price to sell from here on Nasdaq. We expect price to sell aggressively from this inversion on Nasdaq. You can enter from there. Let me share this with you. Selling Nasdaq. Yeah. SMC plus IFVG. IFVG. And so I expect Nasdaq to be selling from here. SMC divergence, IFVG. So I think I'll add one more entry on Nasdaq from that point. Yeah, so the SMT divergence is holding, so we expect some sales. The pound is performing very, very well. The pound is performing beautifully. Gold is trying to consolidate. It's doing back and forth, back and forth. But I believe gold should sell off. I believe gold should sell off. Because we've knocked out all of these highs, followed by market structure shifts, pull back to premium, and we are continuing to the downside. And we have equal lows here, a lot of equal lows on gold. I believe gold should sell off. I believe gold should sell off. Yeah, so I believe gold should sell off and give us some nice profits. Very, very nice, very nice, very nice. Here is not moving, but the pound is moving very nicely. So the pound is weaker because of the SMT divergence. We know that the pound is a weaker pair. That's why it's moving cleanly to clean to the downside, whilst EU is struggling because it's the stronger pair because it took the high here. But I believe both should sell off to sell side liquidity. So they are beginning to take off, which is good. Here you see beginning to take off. Pound is looking very nice. And it's looking very nice. Then gold is also looking good. The only ones giving us trouble is Nasdaq and then S&P. But if I get stopped out, I'll wait for 9:30. For this very trade, my stop loss is here. If I get stopped out on Nasdaq, I wouldn't take any more trade on Nasdaq and then S&P. I'll wait for 9:30 to then look for scalps. Higher time frame on Nasdaq and S&P are bullish, but we have a 4-hour imbalance that we can fill. We've taken a lot of liquidity, previous week high. A lot of liquidity on the left side has been cleared. But we have this 4-hour imbalance. So we can definitely retrace into discounts, okay? But we're actually bullish by taking major buy side previous week high, and we are getting divergence on between Nasdaq and then S&P. So that's the framework for myself and the fact that E30 took liquidity with divergence. So yeah, if I get stopped out, it's okay. The other setups are winning. Good, looking good. BOUSD, boom, looking great. Pound, boom, pound is about to hit TP, guys. JU is about to smash TP. JU is about to smash TP. So at this point, stop loss to break even. You can take your profits. But from this level to this level, just few bits. Don't if it reverses, you're gonna feel very, very sorry for yourself. So you can take a TP on pound, but I believe price has more downside delivery to offer. So I can go break even on EU, break even on GU, and then break even on gold. Okay. So let me send that stop loss to entry on gold, GU, and EU. Okay. Stop loss to entry first. So risk-free trades on EU, GU, gold. Risk-free trades on EU, GU, and gold. Okay. Because you've moved stop loss to break even. Nasdaq, S&P. Let's see what these guys have to offer. It's a short-term low that price can target. The movement is very, very sloppy. I don't know why. Very, very slow and sloppy. Too much back and forth, back and forth. I'm expecting some aggressive displacements. Yeah. Let me see if we have any more news for the day. Let's see. Just CPI. We don't have any other major news. So yeah, we should be good. Let me share my entire screen. Okay. So this is Forex calendar. You can see today the really important high news we have is USD CPI that just happened. Okay. We don't have any other major news. So we are expecting price to keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Come on, Nasdaq, S&P. We have some sell sides to play. We have some sell sides to play. So start dropping. Okay. Come on, good. Too sloppy, too sloppy. Too sloppy on gold. EU looking good. Looking good on EU. We are on break even on all trades. We are on break even on all trades, except Nasdaq and then S&P. Check the daily chart for pounds. So for the pound, I'm expecting price to sell to 50% of this wick on the daily chart. Okay. I'm expecting price to sell to 50% of that wick for pound. So there is some more downside delivery for pound. More downside delivery for pound. But we are not going to be greedy. We just want this little sell side here. Then we are going to be good. By CPI, price can keep dropping. So once we are on break even, we don't have to worry. Risk-free trade. Okay. Same thing for euro. There is a big weekly imbalance on the euro dollar that we are still failing. So I'm expecting price to drop deeper into the imbalance, probably tap this level, okay, fair value area before any buys. So still some more downside delivery for these pairs. Okay. Still more downside delivery for these pairs. You just gotta be patient, Sabali. Just gotta be patient. Nasdaq not looking too good, but the SMT divergence is still holding. You can see the S&P is going down while Nasdaq is going up. So just need to see some aggressive breakdown in price, which we are not yet seeing. Price is going back and forth inside the inversion. Price is waiting for 930. That's what I think. It's very possible we might get swept at 930 before price pushes down. That's very possible. All the same, whatever happens, it's a good trading day with good profits on gold, and good profits on Euro USD, good profits on pound. Good day. Okay? Can't complain. Pound, beautiful push on pound, beautiful push on pound. Beautiful push. Beautiful push on Euro USD. Come on, good. The kind of aggressiveness I want to see gold move. Wait, I'm not saying that. These are equal lows. You have to attack the equal lows with speed. Okay? That's how the algorithm is supposed to behave. It should attack liquidity with speed. Yes, with speed, like I'm seeing now. Yes, like I'm seeing now. Come on. Are you not entertained, guys? These trades, they are all doing good. They're all doing good. Oh my God. Except Nasdaq. My beloved Nasdaq. So massive profits on Euro USD, massive profits on Pound, and then Nasdaq is like, you don't have to win everything for the day. Let me also take some profits from your account. Interesting. So we still have the divergence being maintained. This thing's not looking too good. For Nasdaq, it's not looking too good. So yeah, I wouldn't trade Nasdaq. I'll wait for 9:30 on Nasdaq. The 9:30 opening price. Then I'll determine what to do with it. Gold. Okay, I love gold. I love gold. I love gold. I love gold. Oh my goodness. I love gold. I love gold. I love gold. Massive profits on gold. We also have massive profits on EU. Massive profits on EU. Oh, nice. I'm in so much profit, folks. So I've taken profits. I've left just something small for Euro USD and then pound. I've taken profits. I've left just a small position to run for these guys. Okay. For gold, I want to take full TP. I don't want to take partials. This equal lows, they look too clean for me. For me not to take full profit there. So I've not taken any partial on gold yet. I want to take full TP on gold. Full TP on gold. Okay. Okay, for Nasdaq, S&P, let's wait for 9:30. Definitely gonna get some, but I'm not sure I'll be able to trade that with you guys. I gotta go. So far, massive profits on EU, GU, and then gold. So bye guys. If you're entertained by what we just saw, slide into my DM, learn the skill for yourself. Don't be a signal freak. You have to learn how to trade for yourself, okay? That's very important. All right. So, bye, guys.